Today we're moving on in our bonus trig section, and we're going to be talking about using the tangent ratio. The tangent of an angle is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. So if this is our angle A, the tangent of A is equal to our opposite side, the side across from the angle, over our adjacent side. Our adjacent side will be the other side next to the angle that is not the hypotenuse. In these problems, it asks us to write a tangent ratio for A and for B. So the tangent of A is equal to the opposite side, 8, over the adjacent side, 15. If the directions asked you to find the angle of A, you would take the inverse tangent of both sides in order to get A by itself. This is something that you can plug into your calculator by using the second tan function. Make sure that your calculator is in degree mode, not radians, and your answer should be about 28.1 degrees. The tangent of B means we have to take the side opposite angle B, in this case 15, over adjacent, which is 8. To find angle B, we could do the inverse tangent of 15/8. We could also do 90 minus 28.1, which is 61.9 degrees. Over here, the tangent of angle A is equal to the side opposite, 18, over the adjacent, 80. If we were trying to find the degree of angle A, we would take the inverse tangent of 18 over 80, which is 12.7 degrees. We cannot find the tangent of B because that's a right angle, so we're going to find the tangent of C. Opposite C is 80, adjacent is 18. Once again, we can subtract from 90, or we can take the inverse tangent of 80 over 18, and we get angle C is 77.3 degrees. These questions ask us to use the tangent ratio to find the missing lengths. So the tangent of the angle that they give us, 40 degrees, equals the opposite side. Opposite our 40 is y over 8. So to solve for y, we simply multiply both sides by 8. You can use 8 tangent 40 on your calculator, and you get 6.7 equals y. Over here, the tangent of 20 equals x over 5. We can multiply both sides by 5. 5 tangent of 20 is 1.8. We're just rounding to the tenths, so that equals x. In this problem, the tangent of 25 equals our opposite, which is 7, over our adjacent, which is x. To solve for x, we need to multiply both sides by x, and then divide by 7. Sorry, not by 7, by the tangent of 25. So we want to get x by itself. Seven divided by the tangent of 25 is roughly 15. This question asks us to find the value of x using both the tangent ratio and then one of our special triangles. So to use the tangent ratio, we just do tangent of 30 equals our opposite x over our adjacent 10 times the square root of 3. We multiply both sides by 10 square roots of 3 and plug that into a calculator. We get that x equals 10. We also could have done this with our special right triangles, 30, 60, 90. Across from the 30 is x. Across from the 60 is x square roots of 3. Across from the 90 is 2x. If 10 times the square root of 3 equals x square roots of 3, we can divide both sides by the square root of 3. And x equals 10. So either way works for solving if we know that the angles make a special triangle. just a word problem doing the same thing. You're measuring the height of a water slide. You stand 58 meters from the base of the slide. You measure the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is from, you start at a straight line and you go up. So this would be an angle of elevation. If it asks for an angle of depression, you would be starting at a straight line and going down. This would be an angle of depression. So there's an angle of elevation of 13 degrees, so it asks us to find the height of the slide. So we can simply do the tangent of 13 degrees equals our opposite, h over 58. We can multiply both sides by 58. 58 times the tangent of 13 is roughly 13.4 meters.